Test, test. Guys, I'm trying to find the link. Trying to find that link. Where is it? Let me see. Give me 1 second. Does anyone have the link to Aron? Adam, where are you at? Damn it. Where is it? Give me 1 second, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Hmm. What's going on, guys? Give me 1 second. I'm trying to find the link to Adam. If I'm not mistaken, he's on right now in a couple minutes. 3 p.m. Eastern. Here's the link. Here we go.
Aron is here in a
Oh,
Fox
what a
Business
timing,
exclusive
man.
on
I
cinemas
barely found it.
versus streaming.
Woo.
And 1 week later, that ship that blocked the Suez Canal finally freed, but you're caught.
All right, he's coming on right now. Yes, baby. Dubs in the chat. I found this just in time. NASDAQ, man. Woohoo! Don't you guys love Green Days? New record closes. Retail, baby. Look at this. Don't you guys love this heat map? Vlad. Ken Griffin. Roaring Kitty? She just said that.
Shut down their ability to buy more shares. At this hour, the Wall Street Bets Reddit room crowd flexing its muscle again with GameStop. And yes,
Flexing, baby.
shares of the video game retailer are down just under 4% on the news that the company is going to sell up to $1 billion worth of shares. But shares had been down much more this morning. Does this mean that individual investors finally have the same advantages as the Wall Street pros and they're back in the game? In a Business Insider column entitled, quote, "Low-cost brokers like Robinhood are still quietly screwing over their users," Yale Law School professor Jonathan Macy says nope. He says the little guy is still not getting a fair shake. He would be better off paying a trading commission because then there would be no conflict or pressure from big Wall Street middlemen. To the man who ran a Leviathan trading platform for years, former TD Ameritrade CEO and chairman, Joe Moglia.
TD, baby. All right, we're going to mute this really quick. We're just pretty much going to dig into the AMC CEO interview, and then we'll close that out. But for now, welcome back. Welcome back. Guys, every time we finish the stream at market open, the market rallies. GameStop hit 195, AMC hit 1125. Tesla also found some ground too. What's going on, Will? Welcome back. All right, let's see. I'm curious on Fintel data today. Yeah, I'm surprised Tesla didn't come. What was it, like 6 something? I forgot the price. I expected more downside, but it found some support under like 680s. Let's see, AMC, what are we showing for Fintel really quick? Short interest, show me those short shares available, quote unquote, available. 150K as of 2 hours ago. 150K. For some reason, I have a feeling GameStop and AMC are just gonna stay flat power hour. Am I crazy, guys? Why did AMC pull back so much? I expected above 10 close. We're at 10.50. I'd love an 11 close, but I think they're gonna stay flat. What do you guys think? I have a gut feeling they're just gonna remain flat. GameStop closes around 183. AMC closes around 10.50. That's what I think right now. I mean, we're up 12% on AMC, and this crazy recovery on GameStop after that offering. It's amazing. What's going on, Carl? What's going on, Carl? What's going on, Apes? Welcome. There we go. You're crazy. We're gonna close above 11. That's what we're shooting for, above 11. Hopefully we have the boosters. Hopefully Tom Brady comes through today. Where's Tom Brady been at, man? We're talking about these magnets, 10.50, 11. Uncle Ralph. Let's see. AMC, baby.
Best price in the marketplace. Most of the time they get price improvement. They pay nothing for that. That's super simple for them to do. Behind the scenes, there's incredible infrastructure. There's regulatory issues.
The meme stonks. Nokia. Cost is another one. I'm curious if Adam Aron's literally gonna just repeat what he said on Thursday with Jim Cramer on CNBC. Naked's another one. Ragnar, tell your kids I say what's up. Thomas, I need to see a backflip, man. AMC green.
Costs, GameStop, as we mentioned, Nokia, they're moving slightly lower. But, did you see anything dangerous about what happened with the crowd? And as we look at what's happening at this very moment, the Dow Jones Industrials up nearly 350 points. We've got a roaring rally right now. You worried at all for the individual investor?
Well, I grew up in the institutional side of the business, but for the last 20 years, all I've cared about is the welfare for the individual investor. So am I worried about him? I'm always worried about him. Having said that, they do have a greater opportunity today to be better prepared and understand their risk reward than they have ever been for the lowest possible price. When this whole Reddit thing happened, I give the leaders of that incredible pats on the back. They did their homework. They recognized that through GME, they could create an incredible short squeeze. Plotkin learned something from that, too, that there's a way that he could get burned where he would not have gotten burned in the past, and the individual investor benefited from that. Where I have a problem is that at some point in time, the market always turns around, the stock's got to come back, and the individual investor got to be better prepared for that. Wall Street could do a better job of preparing the individual investor for that.
Joe, you're never out of the game. You're launching a SPAC. I want to get to that in a second, but very quickly, Vlad Tenev, the CEO of Robinhood, has actually suggested that instant settlement of trades would solve all of this problem. Yes or no? And then we'll get to your SPAC.
Yes. It will help it immensely because you're not going to have as much volatility in the stock. It's the volatility that creates an increase in the deposit that the brokers got to pay. Has to have, and Robinhood didn't have that. That's why they were in trouble.
You're getting into the SPAC game. You got a blank check company. You're looking for a target. You've got to tell me, because right now there are a lot of stories about how there are quite a few SPACs that have launched just since the first of the year.
Yeah, AMC is slightly spiking here at 10.67. Of course, anticipation of Adam Aron. I'm pretty sure Adam Aron knows the stonk is up 14%. Is he gonna pump the stonk, guys? What do you guys think? Repeat of Thursday or no? Man, the market is on fire. I can't stop thinking about this. Nasdaq is the only one that's lagging behind SPY. I was wrong, I guess. I thought we were just gonna close flat, but let's go for 11, baby. Let's go for 11. That's what that's what we're going for. What kind of glasses are those? Financial advisor glasses. I have not bought Disca and Viacom, but if you take a look, Viacom actually pulled back even lower today. So I'm very patient, being very, very patient, especially with Tesla as well. What's up, Larry? What's up, Ryan? Smash that like. Absolutely. Smash that like button. We have 560 apes. That's if everyone dropped the like, we hit 420. Can't tell if you wear those glasses. I'm not a financial advisor. You could get these on Amazon for a pair for like $7. They're blue light.
Take care.
All right, Adam, Aaron, come on.
You too.
Please.
Joe Moglia, a collective cheer from hundreds of publicly traded companies, from Nike to Caterpillar, whose cargo was stuck for days.
Oh, the boat. Tesla seems to be a breakout. Yes, Tesla had found some decent support right around, what, 680s? 680s?
Scrambled.
We want
American
Adam.
supply chain software firm Blue Yonder swept.
Where's Adam? Let's see. I'm gonna run to the bathroom really quick. Coca-Cola, Starbucks.
43 vessels.
I'll leave this guy on low volume just in case Adam comes on, but I'll be back in a couple minutes.
A couple weeks, Liz. This will be up to a 6-month impact, both upstream and downstream.
Tell me, Girish, at the height of the crisis, can you give me an example of what your company was faced with as far as emergencies were concerned with all of there were more than 1,000 of those crates that were sitting on top of the Ever. And to me, I look at that and I say, well, what were you dealing with?
You know, a couple aspects I want to cover, Liz. One is there was the shipment and the vessels. So we zoomed out and we looked at about a 2,000-mile area around the Suez Canal, and we got visibility, real-time visibility for inventory, for redundant supply that could be routed through different mediums out downstream towards consumers. But you know, Liz, we are still in the pandemic. A year into the pandemic, what I like to say is Suez Canal blockage is today's flavor of disruption. You zoom out, you look at tariff wars, you look at health patterns. You know, France is now shut down. That is changing by the day, by the hour. Disruption is across the board in supply chain. And in the years ahead here, in the next 1 to 3 years, you will see the global supply chain relaid out.
So how does AI, artificial intelligence, what you do, help in a situation like what we just saw, or all of the cracks that we have seen exposed during the pandemic when it comes to supply chain issues?
Yeah, you know, Liz, the amount of data out there, the amount of data on shipments, on consumer tastes, on local supply, on e-commerce orders coming in. You and I are ordering things that we want delivery today, tomorrow. So the amount of data out there is so extensive. It is so extensive that you need machine learning. You really need computers and algorithms churning the data and learning about not only consumer and demand tastes, but also where inventory resides in order to channel forward. And that's where AI is making an enormous impact.
Well, you got to learn from your mistakes, and it appears that AI, at least how you do it, is important and happening, which leads me to these reports out of Japan that say that Panasonic is making a play for you guys for $6.5 billion. What could they do to help you, I guess, scale up, and are there other bidders? Can you give us any granularity on that?
Yeah, you know, there was a news item put out, Liz, by Nikkei that did not come from Blue Yonder or Panasonic. So we don't respond to rumors. What I will say about Panasonic is they are a fantastic customer of ours. They are an ecosystem part of ecosystem of.
All right, I'm back. Had to bust a quick one real quick. Jamer pump, yes. Evergreen pump, you guys are funny. Oh, guys, we have some free shares on Weebull. Let's see. What are we gonna get, man? Come on. Come on. Pump me up, pump me up. We have 3 shots. Is this guy gone yet?
Anytime. Girish Rishi of Blue Yonder. Up next,
Ralph
Archegos
Castaneda up
founder.
next.
Remember, this is
Oh
the
my
family
God, this
office
guy,
that
man.
got into so much trouble
This
with
guy lost.
Viacom and Discovery shares. Bill Hwang taking a page out of Harvey Weinstein's playbook. Okay, what does that mean? The big hire he just made to help clean up the carnage of the most epic fire sale the market has seen in at least 5 decades. Charlie breaks it next with the closing bell ringing in 45 minutes. Dow is up 350.
We want Adam, man.
Guys, we got an epic rally going on.
Epic rally. Stonks only go up. Damn, where's Adam? Matt, thank you for the dono. Bada bing, bada boom. LFG, my people. Happy power hour. Thank you for the dono. You guys don't have to donate. Just drop a like, baby. That's all we ask for. 420. 420. Here we go. Here we go. What do you guys think we get? Oh, guess who's calling? Jim Cramer. Jim Cramer's calling. Kramer's calling. That guy lost like 10 point. He broke the record, right? I think that's like the biggest L. 10.5 billion in 5 days. What's going on, Anonymous? All right, here we go. A chance to get a Tesla share. Look at this. Look at the history. Look how much we've been through. Look how much pain Weebull has placed us through. WPF, PF, 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 PF. Look at this. They only bless us with 2 Snapchat shares. The rest are DVX. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Tesla! Stop! I was in the chat for that one for sure. Man. It's a big L, man. I need to like delete the app and reinstall it or something. Like it's one day, man. It's like it's a curse now. It's like Weebull knows they're trolling me. I swear, everybody else I know gets AMC shares. There's 4,000 Tesla shares they're promoting. And we've been on a hot streak for WPF. Your 5-star stock one day. What's going on, Danny? Welcome back. We are patiently waiting for Mr. Adam Aron, who is going to be speaking about AMC, hopefully about Kong Godzilla, which literally brought in like what 40 something million throughout the weekend, Easter weekend, and that was being compared to the Godzilla movie, the Legend of or I forgot what the other movie was called. Does anybody have the name Godzilla, the leader of animals or something like that? That movie brought in like 40 something million in 2019 at 100% capacity. What's it called? Godzilla. I forgot the movie. King of Monsters. Yes, thank you. What did I say? The Legend of Animals. The King of Monsters. Yes. What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to Power Hour, guys. I was expecting a pretty much flat close for GameStop and AMC, but it seems like we have 40 minutes and AMC is anticipating the Adam Aron pump headed into the market close. Tom Brady. You guys smell that? I smell Tom Brady coming through. I smell the momentum. I smell the volume. Rafiki. I'm headed there. I'm headed there.
Well, owning up to and apologizing for an obnoxious tweet appears to be the right move for Amazon stock. We've got shares jumping about 2% at this hour after the e-commerce giant issued an apology to Wisconsin Democratic Congress.
Does anyone have Amazon or trade Amazon? Next up, we have CEO of WPF, Mr. Ralph Castaneda, coming on talking about the transformation of the company. We're going to 100, baby. There's some of you guys who actually buy WPF, which I would recommend. You wouldn't. What? You don't really believe the peen and bottles thing, do you? What's going on with Amazon? This looks like a fake tweet. We know that drivers can do have trouble finding restrooms because of traffic. All right, Adam.
To unionize. Moving on, Archegos Capital Management Chief Bill Hwang has put together a high-profile public relations.
And what happened with this Bill guy? Didn't he have like a quote-unquote shady past before? He was caught for insider trade. Do these people who lend out these margin, do they do some research on the people they're lending the money to? It's like, what? I think he was caught with like insider trading. He was banned for 5 years. Insider trading, right? Do these people know that? It's like, what the heck is going on? But hey, man, Mr. Bill gave us a huge opportunity to catch the dip. He gave us a huge opportunity to catch a dip on Viacom and Discovery, man. I'm waiting. Bill would fit well with Wall Street Bets. I need to see that loss, man. Send me a screenshot, Bill. He literally topped the biggest L. If I'm not mistaken, I saw a post where he was just like broke records. What a legend. Any new tweets from Kitty? Roaring Kitty? No.
His own money that he built up in a very short period of time. A great piece by Lydia Moynihan, my producer, lays it all out on foxbusiness.com. And then he essentially lost it all in one day, causing ripple effects that caused banks to lose money, particularly Credit Suisse and the other banks that were holding the positions in stocks that he had a synthetic position in.
No, didn't Deutsche Bank save themselves? And Goldman? Oh yeah, Elon tweeted kind of hinting at AMC. Let me see. This is exactly why GameStop and AMC were up today. This guy's a legend. He saved us today. Straight pumping GameStop and AMC. Oh my gosh. Who do we have next?
Of that higher,
I have it muted. He was hinting at AMC. Yeah, last time Aron was on TV on Thursday with Kramer. Man, it took a hit. So I hopefully he doesn't say the same things. Don't bring up the offering, man. Even if he does, I think it doesn't even matter at this point. We already know. Unless there's a tweak in the headlines for CNBC. And they start to create FUD. Yeah, Roy Kitty has been tweeting left and right. Wang pump.
Of Hwang's blow up was that he was highly leveraged long position in CBS Viacom, which was doing a stock offering. When that got announced.
What's up, Jeffrey? What's up? Welcome back. This is the next play, guys. This is my next sniper play. Look at this. Oh my gosh, talk about a dead cat. I could see the cat. I could see the cat bouncing. Lucas, he's not on yet. He's not on yet. We're patiently waiting. I think we need a spacesuit pump. What do you guys think? All right.
How
No covered calls, baby. Straight shares. Straight shares. A dead cat with muscle spasm. All Adam Aron needs to say is to the moon. On Thursday, he said apes. Didn't he mention the moon on Thursday too?
Well, wait. Can I just, before we start making comparisons like that, we have no evidence that Bill Wong lied. As a fact, no one said he is lying. You already made
Exactly.
it.
That's why I said.
Bill pump. Let's go.
But again, they just hand it over because they think they know him. All right, Charlie, thank you very much. Charlie Gasparino, we are coming right back to the big baseball story.
No, not yet. He did say apes, right? I think he did say apes. Cause I have a movie about apes. He knows what's up. He knows what's up. Yeah, Fox is trolling me. It's been 30 minutes. They're really stalling us now, guys. AMC stock is waiting. We're waiting. In the world of apes? Oh my gosh. Let's see. Accidentally closed my Twitter. Let's see what kind of news we have here. They're saving Adam for fourth quarter. He knows the Tom Brady vibes. He knows the vibes. I think I smell a suit pump. I think it's time to suit up, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Suit pump. We got the Diamond Hands patch. Shh. Let's go. What's up, Tammy? Welcome back. Time to buckle up. I forgot. I actually have a space helmet now. Thanks to you guys. Oh, before we... Oh, damn it. I thought they were going to start. Take a look at the sick glow helmet, too. You guys sent. With light and everything. This is dope. Oh, we have trolls in here. The trolls are here. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Or do you?
He tweeted? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Could he tweeted? Did he tweet? Yes, he did tweet. What do we got going on? It looks like some WWE wrestler. Who is that? Can someone name him? I forgot. Matt, thank you for the donut. I love when trolls waste their energy and time. You gotta love them. You gotta love them. Thank you for the donut, though. You guys don't have to donate. Just 420 likes, baby. Let's hit 420. Popped stocks.
Our pop and drop stocks are popping first with Tesla delivery
Tesla,
numbers.
baby!
CEO Elon Musk gotta be dancing for joy at this hour. His electric vehicle company stock trading up 5.7% right now to nearly $700 a share after delivering just under 185,000 vehicles in the first quarter. That's year-over-year growth of more than 100%.
And keep in mind, that's without the Model S, that's without the Model X, that's without the long-range Model 3 in China, and that's during a chip shortage. This is insane.
Are definitely jumping after Norwegian Cruise Lines submitted a letter to the CDC today outlining its plan to resume cruises from U.S. ports in July, even as the CDC says vaccinations of all guests and crew are recommended but not required. But as Norwegian climbs 7.5%, maybe that's because Norwegian came out and said, you know what, we're going to take it a step further. We will require everyone, including port.
And talking about, didn't they have an offering? And isn't Aron on the board of directors for one of these cruise lines?
Royal Caribbean up 3.8%. Plus, the Cruise Lines International Association has just issued a statement urging a lifting of the CDC's conditional sailing order in time for the summer. In other bullish leisure news, we've got Morgan Stanley raising its star rating on...
Oh my God, where's Adam? I think Adam's late. Come on, AMC. AMC stock, we're literally just waiting for Adam.
to Delta. Delta...
Oh my God. Adam's eating his crayons, man. Give him some time. He's coming on right now. He's coming fourth quarter. He knows Tom Brady. He's coming through, guys.
At least for Major League Baseball, announcing it's pulling this year's All-Star game.
Yeah, some We Like the Stock. You guys want some We Like the Stock? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah. I ain't selling shit.
AV, line them up.
Yeah, AMC. Yeah, AMC. AMC. Wall Street want me to sell my AMC. Oh no. Wall Street want me to sell my GME. Oh no. Robin Hood won't let me buy no BlackBerry. Yeah. Where your hedge funds? Whoa, you got shorted on your turn, but you say that you got bread to burn. And yeah, we got some bread to make. I was on Wall Street, bets and we was taking stakes. Whoa, I gotta mention how these brokers think they FCC. I had Dodge Coin and I profited a couple G's. Hey, bought a couple option contracts in AMC. Yeah, posted it on Reddit.
Day of voting meat.
We going to the moon.
Watch this rocket zoom. I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Let my stones boom. Yeah.
The other one's a little more hyped. Mr. Kramer's a little bit more hyped. You're getting notifications from the channel? Yeah, for some reason today the numbers are pretty high. I guess YouTube was playing with us, man. YouTube was like trolling us. The ship was blocking our channel, guys. Evergreen. Say what's up to my boy Ken. A Canam. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. Shout out to Cam, who played ball in NFL. We are all in AMC shares. And calls Weiler, baby. Thank you for the dono, Matt. Power Hour. Adam Aron's coming on. I believe he's coming on like in 10 minutes. He knows what's up. He smells Tom Brady too. He thinks like an ape. YouTube was holding us back, yeah. I think every like stock streamer is taking a hit. Here we go, my tinfoil hat, man. Put on your tinfoil hat. Hedgies? Oh, Godzilla.
How do you bring movie theaters back to life?
Yes!
In what is still very much the COVID era? Call in a gigantic ape and a huge aquatic lizard for a monster battle. AMC CEO Adam Aron is here on the surprisingly huge success of Godzilla vs. Kong's blockbuster weekend and whether Disney's upcoming cinema streaming simul-release of The Black Widow could be the next big box office superhero or supervillain when it comes to the business of Hollywood. Closing bell ringing in 24 minutes.
Stonks only go up, baby. Let's go! Let's get some Adam Aron hype. Look at the market, man. Don't you just love opening your broker and you just see green everywhere? Let's go. Adam Aron, we're waiting for you, man.
We like the stock.
We like the stock.
Yes, we like the stock.
GameStop.
We like the stock. We like the stock. Yes,
We like the stock.
we like the stock. We like the stock.
Let's go, baby. Let's get some Adam Aron hype. How to pause it, you know? I don't want to get hit on the bad side of YouTube again and get 7 copyright strikes. Get 7 copyright strikes. Oh my gosh. Adam Aron pump. It's exactly what we need right now. Let's see. Come on, Adam. The world is watching. Yeah, Mondays are usually the best days out of the week. Adam Aron should come out with an AMC jersey and a headband. Just at Arby's. Man, Arby's, quit playing Arby's. Sponsor us already. All the food. I wouldn't accept an Arby's sponsor. I don't like it. Come on. All right, here we go. Adam Aron should be coming on in the next couple minutes. Let's get some hype. Let's get some hype. Tom Brady's coming through with the beef and cheddars. 5 minutes for Tom Brady. We're patiently waiting. Five Guys? What's up with the Five Guys? Five Guys is overhyped. Way overhyped. Five Guys is as close to In-N-Out as you can get on the East Coast. Yeah, Five Guys is too overhyped. I prefer Four Guys. I should wear a headband. No, that's Roaring Kitty. Yeah, In-N-Out's too hyped too. Come on, Adam. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. W's in the chat. Come on, Adam. World's watching.
Godzilla
Oh my
versus
gosh.
Kong, crushing it in its debut
Yes.
over the weekend, earning $48.5 million in U.S. box office receipts, $285.4 million worldwide. Folks, that's the best box office movie performance of the pandemic era so far, but it's the fact that the simultaneous release on the HBO Max streaming platform, same day that it was released in the theaters, did not hurt box office receipts anywhere near what analysts had expected. That has Wall Street and Hollywood chattering. You got AT&T, which is the parent of HBO Max, moving higher by 0.2%, but AMC is doing incredibly well today, a big jump for that stock. Now cinema chains are pushing back on perhaps Disney's decision to release Black Widow simultaneously on Disney Plus streaming, calling for a higher share of movie revenue or a chance for exclusivity. But did Godzilla vs. Kong just set a precedent for movies going forward? Here in a Fox Business exclusive, we're joined by AMC CEO Aron. Adam, okay, take your victory lap, but I need to know, are those numbers, do you have any updated numbers on Godzilla vs. Kong? Is there anything more that you can give us on that?
Well, I sure can, Liz, and first of all, hello, of course. As you know, Godzilla vs. Kong is a movie about apes. And AMC has been a meme stock since January, and the Reddit crowd has tracked this pretty closely. And apparently, apes are a really good omen in the world of meme stocks. So there we go. Maybe we were always destined for this to be our first big movie. In fact, if you look at our opening performance from Wednesday to Sunday, when Godzilla vs. Kong opened Wednesday of last week, our business at AMC was 5 times, quintuple what we've done in all the weekends before that in Q1. And we take that as a very good sign. We think that's a combination of new movie titles coming out and vaccinations. And let us not underestimate how vaccination is changing the psyche of American consumers. 4 million were done the other day, in a day. And people are rushing to get vaccinated. That's good news for us all.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know if you saw this, but just a couple of hours ago, Dr. Fauci was telling Politico in a podcast, quote, we may be able to go to movie theaters by the end of the year. What would you say about maskless movie going at the end of the year, maybe November, December?
Well, obviously, we're so excited when we can lift capacity caps, when we can take masks off. But AMC is the single highest priority of our company, has made sure that safely going to theaters is our single biggest priority. We put in a whole array of safety protocols advised by both the Clorox Company and Harvard University's prestigious School of Public Health. So we're playing it cautious. We're keeping our 50% capacity caps in place. We're keeping mask wearing for now. And we're going to run our theaters this summer with the tightest safety standards we can. But think about this. More than 10 million people have come to AMC theaters in the last many months. We've not heard of even one documented case of COVID-19 being transmitted in our theaters. That's very good news that our safety protocols are working, and we're going to continue them throughout the summer.
I want to get to Disney. Disney, of course, wants to simultaneous release The Black Widow, streaming on Disney Plus and in theaters. You have to tell me where you stand on that, because the success of Godzilla vs. Kong shows that just because it was released on streaming didn't hurt box office, although I guess that's sort of a counterfactual. We would never know because it was released on streaming. I watched it on streaming. It's a mistake. I should have gone to IMAX because, I want to see the gigantic lizard. Don't ignore Godzilla, Adam. That annoyed me. I'm a Godzilla fan versus, Kong. But tell me what the status is with The Black Widow and you at AMC.
Well, going back to Reddit, I'm more a fan of apes than I am of lizards, for what it's worth. But look, everybody has been feeling their way as to how to get through this pandemic. And, studios and theaters have been talking about COVID rules apply. People are experimenting. But I'm not at all worried about where we are with Disney. We've been partners with Disney for decades and decades. We're going to be partnered with Disney for decades and decades to come. And if you look at what's happened with other studios who've experimented so far, Universal, who's a big advocate for this simultaneous release on the same day at home that movies hit theaters, they abandoned that concept. Warner, with a big fanfare, announced in December they were going to do it for all their movies in 2021. They found out it was not as good. They've already abandoned that concept. They've already morphed that all their movies in 2022 will hit theaters for a month and a half at least before they hit the home. I'm sure, I can't say I'm sure, we're in discussions, but I have every expectation that we'll find a happy middle ground with Disney that's good for Disney shareholders and good for AMC shareholders too.
Well, what's happening today is good for AMC shareholders. Your stock is up 14.6% as we speak. Adam, thank you very much. But no, I'm full on Godzilla. You can be Kong. I'm not going to spoil it for people, but the lizard is my side. Because, yeah, Liz, hello. Adam, great to see you. Adam Aron of AMC. Yeah, sure.
Can I say one quick thing before we go? When I look back over this pandemic, the thing that I'm most proud of is that AMC survived. There were a lot of people who wrote our company off. We raised almost $4 billion in debt, equity, and concessions from lenders and theater landlords. And we've asked our shareholders to approve up to another 500 million shares. Not that we'll use any amount like that anytime soon, but we're going to make sure AMC was a very successful company for 100 years. We're going to make sure that AMC Theaters is around and is a very successful company for the next 100 years too.
Adam, I'm glad you ended with that. Let us hope it's a great American company. Adam, Aron, we're coming right back. The Dow is looking at a brand new closing record. Don't go away.
W's or L, baby. W's or L. I call it a big W. He had to throw in the 500 mil, but of course we already know, man. That was already stated in your voting email. If you do not get that email, email your broker, call your broker, tell him, hey man, where's my vote? Where's my vote? Where's my vote? And guys, there's a scam out there. There's a scam calling you. They want your voting control number. Do not give them your control number. They will vote for you. They will scam you. W. I call that a big W. AMC did not react though. However, we have a huge wall at 1075 for AMC. Pretty much flat like I anticipated for GameStop as well. I'll plug in the Discord for you guys. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you drop a like, baby. 420 is where we're heading. 420 likes. The King Ape, the man of culture, man. The man of culture. We like to stop. Power to the players. Matt, thank you for the dono. I saw that come in through. Let me scroll. Anyone posting LZ step out, I appreciate that, Matt. Oh, if you guys want to truly save AMC, man, go to the movies. Go to the movies. Go to the movies. All right, looks like we're picking up here. AMC 1077. Guys, we have 10 minutes before the market closes. It might be a long shot to call a 200 close, obviously, for GameStop. But for AMC, it's possible. I believe this meme, $11 is not a meme. 11 close is not a meme. Let's go. If you want to save the channel, hit the like button. I loved it. Yeah, I loved it. There we go. There we go. We're getting momentum. AMC 1082. We're going for 11, baby. Tom Brady, I smell you. I smell you. 10 minutes. Here we go. Actually, now 9 minutes. Let's take a look at the overall market. Is NASDAQ still ripping? Pulling on back after these new highs. SPY 400 close. Yes. SPY looks like it's going to close above 400. Tesla. Take a look at Tesla really quick. Tesla's pulling on back. Wow, I'm surprised. Pulling on back. Should we catch a dip, guys? Should we catch a dip? And possibly sell on the rip? Should we? Let's take a look at Viacom. Still pulling on back. Be very careful with these. There we go. 1084 for AMC. I actually want to buy like a small position of Tesla, but it's too high, man. Just be very patient. Here we go. Pick up some steam, momentum. We got 8 minutes. Let's go. I'd way more on the dip. Yeah, just my finger, man. FOMO finger. Here we go. Here we go. The show goes on. Come on, GameStop is 200. Can we close above 200 for GameStop? That's such a high. It's such a stretch, but hey, I believe, man. I believe. 211 for AMC. Come on. 200 is not a meme. With Tom Brady, it's possible. Here we go. Rock it up. Buckle up, baby. It's getting hot in here. The cabin pressure's going up. How about Discovery? This guy, I believe, is also pulling on back. 41.78. Still red on the day, so be very patient with these. I have my alerts, baby. They're not slipping through my fingers. I am not missing them. 190 would be good. Let's go for 200. FOMO rhymes with YOLO. 1101? Is 1101 a meme? Is 1101 a meme? Here we go. Here we go. I believe. I believe, baby. I believe. I'm a believer. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. I feel like that might be the case, guys, for AMC. 1101. We're always fighting at the whole numbers 11. We have 7 minutes. 1101 is not a meme. Let's go. The new battle of 1101. Check out the sticker one of you guys send me. I wish you guys had a name on these because I don't know who to thank. This battle helmet sticker. AMC. And it says the battle of 801. I'm gonna NFT this. Oh, you can't even NFT. NFT is digital. I'm a retard. That was such a stupid call right there. Let's say it was on digital. Teresa, thank you for the dono. Consolidation after ripping is a huge dub. 1101. We're going for 1101, man. We're going for 1101. Somebody slapped that ass, man. Look at that wall there at 1073. We're probably gonna see a huge wall at 11, but anything's possible. 69.69. That's what we're going for. Yeah, that's what I have on my hotkeys. So I could get executed really quick. I buy at the ask and I sell at the bid, just to get in and out. That's exactly what I've been trying to play on Tesla. Trying to play on Tesla right now. 692. Let's catch a bounce. Yeah, there's a 23,000 wall. We hit that at 11. I might buy the ask. I might hit that ask, man. Tesla. Should we pull the trigger, guys? AMC 1066. It's pulling on back. Hedgie attack right before close. We saw this when we were at 1450 as well. That's what we're hoping for. That's what we're waiting for. A bounce on GameStop. Let's go for 200. Tesla. I love Tesla, but the thing is, man, you love the stock, but sometimes the stock doesn't love you back. That's the problem. Sometimes the stock doesn't love you back. Yeah, oh my gosh, I forgot. We have Powell on Wednesday. We have Jerome Powell on Wednesday. Man, we're pulling back. I don't want to say an aggressive pullback, but 1060s. 1060s. Tesla's a bubble. Yeah, Kathy Woods price targets 1500 bearish case 300 3000. What was the bull case? 4K, right? 4K bull case by 2025. Captain Market Crasher himself. Great. Apple had an amazing day. Are we pushing to new highs? 126. Man, oh man. Tesla, are we bouncing on Tesla? Do I have FOMO? No, I don't. I don't have FOMO anymore. AMC still pulling on back. What's the 10-year? You guys have to keep that on watch as well. 10-year treasury. It's at 1.72, I believe. 1.71. Jafin. All right, here we go. 3 minutes. Jerome speaks. The market crashes. Hey, entry for us. Buy the dip, baby. Buy the dip. Home Depot. Yeah, Home Depot was one I missed. Is it still rallying? Up 2% today on the 4-hour. We were waiting for a possible entry as we hit new lows here. And look at this. Look at this recovery. Another one we sold today was Visa. We took our Visa and ran. This one was up today. Walmart was another one we just sold today. Did we I think we sold at the peak for Walmart. I'm kind of happy for Walmart. So the next ones, I'm telling you guys, Viacom and Discovery. The next stonks we're going to pull the trigger on. Yeah, you never know. Tom Brady could come through overtime. Bouncing off EMA for GameStop. One thing we did notice today, on Thursday, guys, was that GameStop and AMC weren't really following each other. But you zoom out the bigger picture today, pretty similar patterns. So that connection is not lost as of yet. Come on, GameStop. You have 2 minutes. 2 minutes before market closes. What's your price entry for Discovery? I almost pulled the trigger at 40 something, but I'm still waiting. Yeah, I almost pulled the trigger as well, but very patient. I'm not rushing. I have my alerts here. Resistance is still at 44, which happens to be the 4-hour EMA. We do see another pullback. We can possibly see mid-30s. So mid-30s is possibly where I want to open my position and initiate it. Let's see. All right, here we go. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Let's go for 190 on GameStop now. 200, obviously, it was a stretch, but still pretty much sideways. We're not moving too much. Can we see a massive rip at market close for GameStop? That's what we're hoping for. We got 1 minute. AMC is still pulling on back. Off called it on the 50s. No, we said we wanted to close above 10 this morning on AMC, and then we saw that push up to like 1020s. I'm like, you know what? These $half marks, these whole number marks are literally magnets. So we're at 1057. I still call this a huge dub, up 13% on the day. Let's go, baby. Oh, 420 likes? We're almost there. We're almost. Who's going to be number 420 on the likes? Here we go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds before the market closes. What an amazing Monday. Look at the heat map here. Oh my gosh, green. Green crayons all over. Bouncing here, 185. Are we going to see that final rip on GameStop? Let's go. 17 seconds. AMC trying to pull up as well. Let's go, baby. Come on. Just rip, baby. Just rip. Just fly, fly. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch the time in sales. Watch the dark pools. Oh, that was pretty loud. These dark pools, 32,000 blocks, 291,000 blocks for AMC at 1061. Last minute rip, we had that small spike. I like it. I like it. Me like it. I like it. I'm sorry if that was loud. Usually the bell is not this loud, but on the green, they like this, man. Screaming green today. I like it. I like it. Israel, my best friend, man, gotta join a work meeting now. Roaring Kitty tweeted. He tweeted. Where's this from? So, where's this from, guys? Is this from like the Matrix or something? The Matrix, right? With Neo. Man, I could feel the earthquake still. There's like a little aftershocks. Very interesting. All right, guys. I'm gonna plug in our free Discord. I'm gonna plug in the free Discord. You guys could chat it up in there. I'll be in there after the market closes, after this live stream. But if you guys are new, we live stream every single day, Monday through Friday. If you guys find value in live streaming, live technical analysis, live market updates, make sure to take action. Subscribe button, baby, all free. I got my first vaccine shot today. Nice. How does it feel? I heard the second one's the vicious one, the aggressive one. It was on Fox, Sammy. On Fox. Other than that, I'll have a video out for you guys later on the channel. With that being said, I'll plug in my Twitter just in case you guys want to send me any. I appreciate you guys sending me DD info, any tweets that might be helpful, insightful. I appreciate that you guys make everything so much easier. So with that being said, tomorrow, pre-market, we're going live again. What a way to start the week. I love Mondays. But of course, if we go to the 4-hour on AMC, guys, every time we had this spike, it's been followed. I've noticed this. It's been followed by a pullback. Every single spike we've had, aggressive spike, and today marks the what 1, 2, 3, like the fifth spike we've had. So I won't be surprised if we have a healthy pullback down to like low 10s tomorrow. Obviously, remain optimistic, remain hopeful, remain bullish, but you have to take a look at the technicals. You have to take a look at the previous history. What has this stock done before on the spikes? There's been a slight pullback. So, yeah, I love Mondays. I'll see you guys later on for another video, or if you join the Discord, you'll find me in there. I'll plug it in one last time. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your Monday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.